What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a mode in your phone, in your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone, right? So do a swipe up and go to settings, and you want to tap on modes and routines. From here guys, you'll have a bunch of different modes here. You have your sleep mode, theater mode, driving mode, exercise, relax, and work. But if you want something else, you can simply go ahead and tap on add mode. Right now, once you tap on add mode, you can basically name the mode that you want. So I can basically call this mode, let's say I call it cooking, right? I will call this one cooking. Let's say I want to name it like that. And I will leave it, let's say, on this color, or choose this color. Now, I will choose, for example, the fork and the spoon. It looks like a restaurant, but it can also signify cooking too, right? So I'm going to click on done. Now from here, you can set it up that it use do not disturb as well. You can set the duration as well, as you can see here. And you can come here and you can add quite a lot of things here to it. So you can simply come here and you can tap to turn on manually. You can come here, you can set the specific time or date. You can choose what to do with the application. So you can have do not disturb. You can also set app restriction. So if you tap on do not disturb, you can set this here so that the phone do not disturb. And as well, you can set like app restriction. So you can set it for whatever app should use. By default, you have a bunch of apps selected that will be exempt. These are the exempt app at the top, but all other apps will be not allowed to use. So you can add apps there to app restriction so that you can have these app work. So let's say you want to collect something from Bolt or whatever you want to do. You can have a calendar, you can have Chrome, whatever. Let's say I use this one, for example, this one. So you can add the Google Chrome here and it will exempt, so that will work. You can basically click done once you're finished, or if you want to remove a particular app, you can click the minus sign on the upper left hand side of that application to remove it. Then click on done. So once you're finished, just tap on done guys, and you have those specifications set. And you can also choose other actions as well. So tap on other actions and you can have, for example, power mode set up. You can also have dark mode set up as well. You can have music, you can have sounds and volume, you can have media volume here, you can play music while cooking. This is something that could be useful for you. You can add a bunch of them. So let's say I tap on play music, and I can play music from, let's say, YouTube music, for example. I can tap on done. I can also tap power saving because I don't want to use my phone for other things, so I can tap power saving. And of course, I think these are two useful ones that I can do. Then you can simply tap on done, right? So you can basically go through this and customize it to the way you want. Once you're finished, all you have to do guys is just simply click on back, and you have your cooking mode. So once you're ready, you can come here and you can tap on it and you can basically turn it on.